Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So go ahead and hit that bell right down below so you will be notified every time your girl uploads, because I've been hearing that YouTube is not letting you guys know when I upload, and that's not okay. I'm not having it starting today, so hit that bell and make sure you hit that subscribe button. But today's video, I'm going to be doing my fall winter foundation routine. So I basically want to show you guys how I do my face portion of my makeup during the fall and the winter, because it's definitely different from my spring summer foundation routine. Okay, so of course the products will be listed down below in the description box, so I won't have it like on the screen or anything because you guys are probably not going to catch it anyway. So it will be in the description box, and also the links to this hair. This is Klaiyi hair. It will be down in the description box as well, so check that out. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get right into this foundation routine. Okay, hey guys, so we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing that I like to use is the Lakura moisturizer. You can get this, I guess, online. I get mine from like this little store, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you can find it online. So the first thing I do is moisturize using this. So now for primer, I'm going to be using the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer, and it looks like this. I'm sure you guys have seen it plenty of times. I just take a little bit on my cheeks, my forehead, of course, because you want your forehead to be primed for sure, my chin, and my nose. So if you've been following me for a while, then you know that I do color correct every time I do my makeup. It's very rare because most of the time I'm either full face or no face. There's like not really an in-between with me, so I always color correct anytime I'm doing my makeup, and it's because I have dark discoloration around my mouth, and that's pretty much it. I don't really color correct under my eyes, but if you do have dark circles, then you should color correct, because it makes it way easier when you put on your foundation. It just makes it look super flawless, no dark spots or anything poking through. So yeah, I'm going in with the ABH Contour Kit, and I'm using this peachy shade over here to color correct. So now for foundation, I'm going in with the Revlon Colorstay in the shade 400 Caramel, or Caramel, however you want to pronounce it. So normally during the summer I skip this step because nobody wants to feel like they're dripping as they're walking outside. So I do not cream contour during the summer or the spring. I only do it during the fall and the winter because I feel like it's cold outside. It's the perfect time to cake your face up because it's not going to melt off. Okay, so normally I use just a powder, but during the fall and the winter I use a stick foundation to cream contour, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Truffle. So lately I've been using two concealers. I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. This is like the OG. I started using this a long time ago when I first started doing makeup, and this is just a really good dupe for the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. But I like this formula better, to be honest. But this one is not light enough for me to highlight with, but I do like to mix it with this concealer, okay? So after I'm done applying my concealer to my face, I like to go ahead and get my setting powder ready, because you do not want to blend out your concealer and then try to open up your setting powder, shake it into the top, and then set it, because then your concealer could have possibly creased by then, okay? So I like to go ahead and get my powder ready, and this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's a little on the expensive side, but I keep going back to get it, so technically, well, that means it's good, okay? Okay, so I just like to shake some in the lid. It was kind of falling out. I just like to put some in the lid. So while I let the setting powder sit, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deep, and I'm just going to set all of the places that I contoured. Now with a dual fiber brush and my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish, this is in the shade Dark Deep, I just like to go pretty much almost all over my face, basically everywhere besides right up under my eyes. So with my Makeup Revolution blush, and this is in the shade Nude. I'm just gonna place this on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose and chin. Lately, that's just what I've been liking to do, so I'm gonna show you guys in this look. So right before I highlight my face, I like to go in with my setting spray, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is highlight, and I am using the Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter, and it is in the shade Gold Addict. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. I decided to pair this with a brown lip, and you can actually get this eye look on another video that I have, so it will be linked down in the description box, so check that out. But I did want to let you guys know what lip I'm wearing. This is the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Black Brown. It looks like this. It's 99 cents at your local beauty supply store. And I put a little bit of this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp on, but I didn't like the color, so I decided to go over that with MAC's Antique Velvet lipstick, and it looks like this. It's a really chocolatey brown. And then I took a random brown eyeshadow and I just patted it on there to make it matte, because I didn't want the shiny lipstick look. I wanted a more matte look. So yeah, that's what I decided to do with this eye look. But yeah, you guys, and I decided to pair this look with a ponytail. This hair is really nice. It will be linked down in the description box, of course. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below on if you guys like the products that I use. If you have already used these products and you like them. If you don't like them, let your girl know. And I will go back and forth with you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will of course see you in my next one. Bye guys.